Good day to you, sir. Today, I would like to present about importance of the technology used in hotel operation today. Introduction. Technology is defined as human making or using of material artifacts in all forms and aspects. There are two important components of technology, which are physical component and informational component. Physical component refers to the tangible items which can be seen and touched, such as products and blueprints. Meanwhile, informational components refers to the intangible elements which cannot be touched and seen, but only can be feel or experience it. Examples of informational components are marketing, production, and quality control. Now we will discuss about latest trends of technology and its importance in hotel operation today. The first one is about hotel keycard. Hotel keycard is one of the important technology application which is used in hotel operation. Guests will use the hotel keycard while entering and leaving their hotel rooms. Hotel keycard is easily accessible. Guests can carry their hotel keycard anywhere they want because it is very small in size and lighter in weight. The hotel keycard is also easily replaceable without the need to replace the locks. Now we will see a small video clip about the way of using the hotel keycard. The next one is about digital conference facilities. Most of the hotels provides conference rooms with good quality of digital facilities. A conference room with a good digital facilities will have a high quality of internet access. Conference room with digital facilities also contains a good and easy accessibility of power and data connectivity. Now we will watch a short video clip regarding the examples of digital hotel conference rooms. The next one is about hotel booking websites. Through hotel booking websites, guests can do the hotel room reservation easily. Besides, through hotel booking websites, guests can choose the hotel that they want to stay, and at the same time, guests can also get many information about the hotel services and facilities through hotel booking websites. Example of hotel booking websites in Malaysia are Trivago, TripAdvisor, and Agoda. Hotels can earn 20 to 30% of profits through hotel booking websites. The next one is about smart room key. By using the smart room key, guests can easily unlock or lock their rooms by sweeping their mobile phones across a keyless pad in the hotel rooms. Many hotels in Malaysia have started to use the smart room key. Now we will watch a short video clip about using of smart room key.
Okay, so first you can see that the room has been sanitized. They put this kind of seal on the door to show you it's been cleaned. And then so we're in 428, you can see it says 428, and then all we need to do is hold the phone close to the lock and touch. And that's it. So we're in, and that's it. And then it gives you the option to hide the room number so it doesn't show on the phone, but we can show it. It's okay, no one else is going to use my phone. So, and that's your key. You don't get a key card or anything like that. You use this to get in and out of the hotel, and use this to get in and out of your room. It's really cool.
The next one is about fingerprint activated hotel room. Fingerprint activated hotel room is the most easiest and innovative way to lock and unlock the hotel room. Fingerprint activated system in hotel rooms is done by using retina scanning devices. Retina scanning is even more accurate and secure. The fingerprint activated hotel room are used in most of the hotels in Europe and American countries. The next one is about voice activated hotel room. Voice activated hotel room consists of virtual assistant which will help the guests. The main purpose of the voice activated hotel room is to provide best services to the guests. The virtual assistant which can be found in the voice activated hotel room will do various types of working according to the instruction from the guests. Now we will see a short video clip regarding voice activated hotel room.
Hey Siri, turn on the lights.
Okay, the lights are on.
Hey Siri, let's get some music going. Play Daughtry.
Listening.
Hey Siri, what is the temperature outside?
It's about 81 degrees outside. Hot.
Hey Siri, please turn on the lights.
Okay, the lights are on.
Hey Siri, let's change the lights to green.
Green, it is.
Hey Siri, turn off the lights.
Okay, the lights are off.
The next topic is about the positive impacts of technology in hotel operation today. The first one is about improved communication. Different and innovative communication platforms are used by the most of the hotels today. This will make all the departments of the hotel to stay connected together and respond to the guest requests with more efficiently and quickly. A LICE is used to connect all the different departments of the hotel to stay connected with only one platform. This will improve the communication between the different departments of the hotel. The next one is about providing convenience to the guests. With the technology, front office department of a hotel can finish up the procedures of check-in and check-out of hotel rooms quickly. By scanning the QR code in an automated kiosk will help the guests to complete the check-in and check-out process. The next one is about enable the hotel staffs to provide a good quality of service to the guests. Technology also helps the staffs who work in the hotel operation to deliver a best quality of service to the guests. Good quality of services that will be given by the guests, that will be given by the staffs of the hotel is the most important element which will attract the guests to come again to the hotel. In this period of modern era, most of the hotel contain system which the guest preferences and notes will be automatically saved. By using this method, the hotel staff can know about the guest's perception and expectation if the guest comes again to the hotel. For example, if the guest has requested for extra pillows during their previous stay in the hotel, so when the same guests come again to the hotel, by referring to the system, the hotel staff can ask the guests whether they need extra pillows or not. The next one is about providing the best quality of security system. Technology creates a good and safe security system to the hotel operation. Usually, all the details of the guests will be stored in the computer system of the hotel. So, there is a high possibility for the information of the guests to be stolen or missing. To prevent this problem, most of the hotels today manage to have a modern software application which contains a strong security system and also contains of backup capabilities. At the same time, CCTV cameras, which can be seen in most of the places around the hotel, also provides a good security system to the hotel. The last one is about providing quick payments and accurate billing. The usage of technology provides quick payments and accurate billings in the hotels. By using the fingerprint system, guests can easily pay any additional payments. Other than that, guests also can pay their hotel bills by using credit cards. All the hotels today have the credit card system which enable the guests to pay their payments easily. Conclusion. Finally, technology is one of the important factors which cannot be avoided in today's hotel operation. The impact of technology in the hotel operation is one of the most important elements which will fulfill the satisfaction of the guests during their stay in the hotel. The importance of the technology has become the pillar of strength to the hotel operation today. That's all from me. Thank you.